when they do graphics, they need to make sure that they are using the suggested or the appropriate sizing per platform so that it will not look like it's being stretched or being compressed, because that speaks low quality. So you need to make sure that your graphics are in high quality. And the way
Ah,
to do that is to figure out the appropriate or the correct sizing for each platform.
I'm loving that because you don't want it to be compressed and you definitely don't want it to be stretched, right? You want to make sure that those pixels look great. What
Yes.
is, are you willing to share with us a hack, like something that we don't know about Canva that you've learned through your experience that we might not find in a Google search?
All right. Usually for social media graphics and for everything that you wanted to post digitally, download it as a PNG file, because the JPEG version of it has a lower file resolution. And once you put it on digital marketing or for digital use, they will look like it's being stretched or pixelated. Now, for PDF print gives you the 300 dpi resolution and just
Yes.
the PDF standard for digital use. So I actually have like a checklist for that I can share. So
Oh,
I'm gonna pop it in. I'm gonna send it to you, Marky, so you can post it on your social.
and then I'll also make sure that I include it when we do the blog post for people to be able to download it. So here's the thing. I was still downloading some JPEG. I'm glad that you clarified because here's the thing. If you're using Canva, it's a JPEG button and a PNG. You pick which one. So you're not going through any additional effort to get that file in a PNG file. So keep in mind moving forward, you want to use the PNG file because it's going to give you the higher, better resolution, right?
Yeah.
And then on the PDF, the 300 DPIs, is that dot per inch? I think
Um,
it's
that's
I think it's
I
dots
think
per
that's I'm
inch.
sorry. Yeah, per inch, pixel per inch.
Okay, pixel. And let me tell you when I had to deal with that. If you are doing publications and you're using platforms like Amazon, Lulu to actually print, they mandate that you have a certain DPI
Yes.
for whatever that book graphic is, or the print resolution is going to be horrible. So, for one of my books, The Social Selling Journal, right, I'm going to tell you this right here with this red and everything sent me through all kind of issues because I did not have the correct DPI. So I found all these third party tools because I wanted it to look like it looks. It was not looking like that. Even the picture online was looking a little grainy, which then means that people were less likely to buy it. This did become a international bestseller. However, that DPI was so important on here. It was unreal. It had me frustrated. It had me up at night trying to figure it out.